Are you new to the gym and unsure about how to use the equipment or do workouts? It's a common dilemma for gym beginners, but don't fret, we've got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the process of getting started with gym equipment and workouts. First things first, familiarize yourself with the gym layout. It's vital to know where each piece of equipment lives and which areas are designated for specific workouts. This knowledge will streamline your sessions and take the edge off any gym-related anxiety. Knowing your way around the gym can make your workouts more efficient and less intimidating. Now let's delve deep into understanding gym equipment. Treadmills, elliptical trainers, and stationary bikes are excellent for cardiovascular workouts. They help improve heart health and burn calories. Weight machines and free weights, on the other hand, are more about strength and muscle building. They target specific areas of the body, allowing you to focus on individual muscle groups. From biceps to thighs, you can sculpt and tone with precision. Remember, it's crucial to use gym equipment properly to avoid injury and get the most out of your workouts. Once you're familiar with the equipment, it's time to start your workout. Begin with a warm-up, light jogging or jumping jacks, for instance, to get your heart pumping. Next, engage in strength training, lifting weights or using resistance bands. Follow this with cardio, like an energetic Zumba routine or a brisk treadmill run. Finally, cool down with gentle stretches to relax your muscles. Each component is crucial, providing balance and variety to your workout. Starting slow and gradually increasing intensity is the key to a successful and sustainable workout regime. To recap our journey, we've navigated the gym layout, decoded the mystery of gym equipment, and kickstarted your fitness routine. Remember, this is only the beginning. With patience, consistency, and proper technique, you'll be well on your way to meeting your fitness goals. Happy workout!